when you're a salesperson, like I understand that your energy is coming from in your head. You're just like, I'm tenacious. I'm on the ball. Next, next, next,
Yeah.
next. But when you're talking to
Yeah.
customers as a salesperson, that's a
That's
very
right.
abrasive energy. So
It is, and I've realized that I've had to like self-talk myself before I go out knocking. Like,
zen.
I almost want a 420 or something before I go out.
You
You
should
know?
go for it. Like whatever. Because if you can just think in your head, Brianna, here's what you want to be. Here's the mindset you want to have. It doesn't matter to me if people sign up or not, because it's not my house. But I'm going to go out, fill people in, be laid back and likable, and then they can decide. But it's like the energy that you put off is basically like, Mrs. Jones, it doesn't really matter to me if you have me on your roof and not. Like, that's your business, but here's what's going on out there. I'd love to not find you left behind, when all your other neighbors are. So you present the energy that way, and the thing is, like, you don't want to be too enthusiastic. You don't want to talk too fast.
Yes.
It's
yes,
like,
you're
chill
right.
out.
You're absolutely right about that. That's like the best advice too.
Yeah.
Because I'm so excited about what I do.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, I know I do such a good job. And I'm very like, but I do. That's great, Becca. I appreciate that.
Absolutely.
I will.
Think about like, it's going to be great to be enthusiastic and passionate when you're talking to people who are contributing to your nonprofit. But
that's right.
With
that's
customers,
right.
We don't want to come off like Billy Mays for kaboom,
that's right.
OxyClean,
that's
right? Like, let's pump the brakes, kid.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you.
Absolutely.
You give great advice in an encouraging way instead of saying, slow the fuck down, shut the fuck up.
No worries.
I appreciate that.
Well, that's what, your people come to me for guidance, and it's like, well, let me hear. It's like I have to take everything into consideration. How do you sound? What are you saying? What body language can I picture that's going on right now? And so you have to take all that into consideration, and we're not on these calls to just say, you're doing great, go get them. It's, hey, here are some things that you could probably, work on. So